I've seen countless videos on how to change the door handles on these older Jeeps that have these. These are both brand new here, and nobody has been able to show me how to actually put them back in. And I'm sure I can save you guys a lot of time just by showing you. I do it a little bit differently than it's supposed to be done. First off, you want to make sure you get the right door handle. On the left here, I have one that's not really good for reinstall, but it's also brand new. And then on the right here, I have the correct one. Now, what do I mean by that? If you look here, this is super flimsy, super flimsy. So when I put this in, right, so that's locked in. I can push it further, that's fine. But as you can see, I can just pull that off and then boom, that comes undone. Causing the issue of your door pulling out slightly whenever you try to open it. Now with this one, if you look here, there's barely any play. When I put this bad boy on, which it goes a little bit further, boom, it's locked into place. Only a little bit of play back and forth, but you are not able to get it to come off the railing here. Now for the repair, what I've done is flip these around. So originally, they sit like this. And when you go to put it in, the door handle is going to sit like this. And usually, normally, you have to go in from the top. And yes, that's probably better for gravity's sake. But if you can actually get these in correctly and locked into place, the gravity doesn't matter. So what we want to do is take it up from the top. Once that's locked in, it's locked in. It's really not going anywhere. You got a little bit of movement, but it's not going to go anywhere. I'll demonstrate how I do this. I should be able to get a good, decent camera angle on it. And yeah, let's get it in there. Okay, I'm on the door. Just to show you where exactly I'm at. I've got my finger. Let's see if I can. Yep. Okay, so I've got my finger on the little clip here. So now all I need to do is use some pressure. Push it up. Okay, so I just pushed it up. Now it's kind of locked into place. I want to get it up one more notch. We'll try it with my finger. If not, I've got this really long set of pliers. Get you one of these. Okay, pushing that is not working. But let me just get you a perspective on what you should be looking out for. So from the door, you'll see the handle, and you'll see that piece right there. Boom. That's in there. I think it's locked. I'm gonna pause, see if it needs to go up one more notch. I'll let you know if it does. I'm using all my force going back and forth with it, with the pliers, and it is locked into place. So, get you some of these to test it so you don't put it back on and it just falls off. That's what happened with that other piece that I showed you, that other handle. Since it was loose, I guess the vibrations just knocked the clip out, but this won't happen this time with the correct door handle. Let's do the other one. Should be able to do it with my hand, hopefully. Come on. You'll drop things a lot. It's really nice to have a little magnet. This is much more difficult since I'm really trying to get a visual on what we're doing here because nobody else has done this. I'm trying to help you guys out. Come on. Save you guys a little bit of time. This time is valuable. Okay, we're gonna use the pliers. Put this there. Right there's where we're needing to go. Slide it right up in there. Okay, well, my phone fell as soon as I slid it in, but we are in, and I just need to push it up just a little bit more. As you can see, I got my pliers angled this way. Then real quick. Now it's locked into place. Now it's locked in, and I am pulling and pushing to see if I can get some movement, and I cannot. I can go side to side just a little bit, but the end. Let's check the other side. Just make sure that it's tight. Wish I had a little bit better lighting. Yep. Not going anywhere. You can watch pretty much any other video on how to get to that point and put it all back together, but no other video is showing you how to actually install those things, those little clips. So it's not the quote-unquote proper way, but this is the easiest way to save you a extra 2 to 3 hours. At least that's how long it took me. That's how long it took me to do it, to try to do it the other way. And then I just gave up and switched it around. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to figure out anything else. If you see any other videos where people aren't showing the full process, I will come in and I will figure out how they did it. See you guys.